So if you guys have been paying attention to artificial intelligence stocks, I'm sure you've seen SoundHound AI, right? Ticker symbol SOUN. This stock has gone from around $5 per share back in the middle of November to now over $20 per share. And guys, just a couple of days ago, we were at almost $25 per share. So we have to break down SoundHound AI in this video, what the company does, the charts, what I'm doing, am I buying, staying away, my thoughts in general. But first, guys, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account, fund it with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, come on, it's a no-brainer. So use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers, guys. Got to get that water in, and let's get into it. So SoundHound AI, you guys have seen this company, right? I mean, we've covered it on the channel before a couple of times over the last couple of months, right? In 2024, we covered it, here and there, and we actually broke it down. You guys probably see my videos, my 5 stocks, my 5 high short interest stock videos I make, once or twice a month. This stock was in that video, or one of the videos a couple of months ago. And I think at that point, SoundHound AI had about 30 to 40% short interest, give or take. And the stock was at, no joke, guys, when we covered it, I think it was at 6 to 650 or under that level, rather, because I had this trend line drawn out in that video. I went back and I watched it, and it was under this point right here. Isn't that crazy? Then we ripped like no other. And here we are. This thing is now at $20 per share. And look at it. It's seen multiple pullbacks throughout this breakout. And actually now in real time, we're in a pullback. I mean, we hit 25. Now we're at 1985 as of close, the recent trading day here. So this stock is down about, let's see here, 21% from highs. Slightly in a bear market, and we've seen multiple pullbacks throughout this breakout, like I said, but we are falling under the 50 SMA here on the 4-hour chart. Keep that in mind. That is a big moving average, and who knows, man, it might slip down and fill this gap potentially. That's the worst case scenario, I guess. In the short term, we slip down $13, $14 right by this 180 moving average on the 4-hour. That's the worst case. But guys, at this point, we're still technically holding trend. So bulls are still in charge. Technically speaking, here on the charts, we could get a bounce. We just have to wait for it. We're coming off of a 12.5% red day. So keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind. So for sure, this big move we're seeing, a lot of it is shorts covering. Some of it, a lot of it, whatever you want to call it. Because again, like I said, this thing is very high short interest. Even now, it's still heavily shorted at this point. We'll cover the numbers here in a second. Actually, let's just do that now. Let's actually pop over to the numbers now. I have everything pulled up here, guys. And by the way, hit that like button while you're at it, while we come over here, and make sure to subscribe. We're almost at 50,000 subscribers. That's insane. I appreciate all of you guys for the support as always. So SoundHound AI right now has grown to a market cap of $7.33 billion. And of course, the company doesn't have a PE ratio because, well, it doesn't make money. They're not profitable. They're losing, looks like here, trailing 12 months, they've lost 35 cents. So, okay, almost profitable, getting there. But they lost 35 cents, so obviously they're not profitable, no PE ratio. And if you guys, before we even dive deeper into this, if you guys have no idea what this company even does, obviously they're in AI. Clearly, it's in the name. and I'll show you their website here in a second. They actually develop independent voice AI solutions that enable businesses across automotive, TV, and IoT, and to customer service industries to deliver high quality conversational experiences to their customers. And guys, right before I made this video, I actually pulled up their website here. I watched this video, and I don't have it set up so you guys can hear the audio here, but this was pretty interesting. So this guy is this is SoundHound's website again. This guy's ordering. It's essentially an example here. He's ordering a meal on whatever the phone, I guess, and the AI is translating it as he's ordering, and he's making changes. I want this instead of that, or I want this for my kid, this, that, and the AI is it's essentially having a conversation with the AI. And let me play it here to show you guys quickly. You might not be able to hear it. Maybe you hear it slightly. Let's see here.
That means natural language understanding that happens as fast as you speak. The system is already listening. Watch the cart update in real time as we order. Can I get a pulled pork burger with a deli bun and mustard and pickles? I'd also like a kid's mac and cheese with milk and yogurt and a large Coke and French fries. We can edit the cart with voice. Make the Coke a small. I don't want the French fries. And change that to apple juice for the kids' mac and cheese.
So yeah, that gives you an idea. You guys can kind of see how it's changing the order in real time, essentially. And it's cool, man. This is cool stuff. And I think this company's been around since 2005, so about 20 years at this point. But that gives you an idea. Obviously, that's not, everything that they do, but that just gives you kind of something that you can ponder about on your own. Maybe do some more research and look deeper into it yourselves. But this is the website right here. And again, the company's about $7 billion right now. A lot of that growth coming in the last couple of weeks. I mean, just like earlier in 2024, they were much less, probably around a $800 million company. So we saw 10x. So roughly 800 million. That's a big big pop there, and the short interest is still very high at this point. Excuse me, guys. Again, I'm still getting over this sickness, almost over this cold here. But where the heck is it? No, it's down here. Here we go. Let me zoom in a little bit here, guys. Where the heck are we? What's going on here? Where the heck is it, guys? Oh my gosh. I'm an idiot. I'm looking at the income statement. All right. Short percentage of float, 23% roughly, and the short percentage of shares outstanding, about 20%. So that is lower than what I saw a couple of months ago when I made that video initially on SoundHound when it was at like $5, whatever it was. But yeah, I mean, it's definitely higher than what we're seeing here on Yahoo Finance. But yeah, that's roughly where it's at here. And I'm curious about their financials. Are they bringing in solid? I mean, top line, again, they're not profitable. We saw that already. But the company's been around for 20 years. So I want to see kind of how the growth has been. So it looks like here revenue. Okay, pretty good growth. $13 million of revenue in 2020, $21 million in 21, $31 million in 2022, $45 million in 2023, and now trailing 12 months, about $68 million of revenue. So that's really good, guys, no doubt. $68 million, great growth. And to be honest, man, if we're looking at the stock, want me to be honest with you, I'm going to keep it real. I keep it real here on the channel, man. I think it's overvalued in the short term, no doubt. I think it's overvalued if you want to go in as a long-term investment, just looking at the market cap compared to how much revenue, the top line. I mean, dude, $7-8 billion market cap and the revenue $60 million. Yeah, that's a huge valuation. And they're not growing, I mean, that fast to justify that kind of valuation. But as a trade, it's a different story. So for me, I'm looking at SoundHound, interesting company. I like what they're doing. No doubt there's use, there's application, but a little frothy there. Little frothy there, guys. But as a trade, different story here. Short term, I think the chart looks decent. Maybe we can get a nice bounce back, make some money on it. But overall, guys, it's risky, no doubt. Any stock that's gone from $7 to 25 in the span of 4 or 5 weeks, it could come crumbling down. If this thing came down to like $12, even if it went to $12, it would still be up massively in the last 2 months. Think about that. So it's risky. Either way, you got to trade at your own risk, guys. And yeah, I mean, for me, I'm not in it right now, but I'm definitely watching it. And I've gotten a lot of comments. Stas, make a video about SoundHound, blah, blah, blah. So here we are. Made the video. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments about it. Are you in it? I know a lot of you are probably in it right now and you're up a lot. You probably bought when I made that video like 4 months ago or 5, 6 months ago, whenever that was. I should have bought there with you. I didn't. But hey, let me know in the comments. I'm curious. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Get your free money, guys. You might as well do that as well for Moomoo. Open up your account. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. Use that link or go to StasSurfest.com/Moomoo. Cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.